My friends, I've got some good news. I've just installed the new One UI update, and guess what? We can now record in 4K HDR without the whole recording being orange. It's finally fixed. So to demonstrate the fix, I've got my iPhone and I've got my Android here. I'm going to be showing you how the new 4K videos look on a Samsung Galaxy S9. Lady in red, you're now white. What? Which one looks better? Is it the iPhone X camera or is it the Samsung Galaxy S9 with proper color profiles set?
Oh my god, I love it. You might remember me as being Miss Orange last year. However, now I am normal skin tone color ever since the Samsung 9 Galaxy update. Check me out. What?
So live focus now tells you to find a face, and then when you find a face, look at that, live focus ready. What? So this one is selective focus. Selective focus is really bad. So that one you don't know what's going on. Let's take a picture. I think we got something, and we took a picture, and it's found you. My friends, this is AR Emoji. We're swinging it. We're giving it large. We're enjoying our lives. Where's your cap gone, love? There you go. Mugger. I think it only really works with one mugger. That's This video's now been censored because I used the T word. Got to beep out. I'm the Samsung Galaxy S10. If I don't have a touch ID button, I'm not gonna buy it. Alright, this is interesting. So this is the 240 frames a second video file that I've recorded, and as you can see, it's not loading in macOS, whereas previously it would load completely fine. It seems like the new videos, and this is the new one on the right, is tagged with SMPTE170M, which stands for NTSC, which is it's a valid tag, but previously it would not have that tag. It would just have TV and BT709. So now that this tag seems to not let you use hardware rendering on macOS. What's interesting actually is while macOS doesn't load the file, if you load it in Chrome, it loads fine. I'm on macOS High Sierra, so hopefully this is a non-issue in Mojave, and hopefully this will be fixed in a future macOS update. Interestingly, if you try using FFmpeg to convert the file over, you get an error, and it says too many packets buffered for output stream. So to get around this in FFmpeg, you need to re-encode the audio, so that's -c:audio, and re-encode it into AAC, and more importantly, you need to add in a max mux-enqueue size of 4000. That seems to make it re-encode and work. So me personally, as you need to re-encode it anyway, I use this as an opportunity to convert everything to HEVC, because the file size is a lot smaller than H.264, which is what gets recorded when it's going 240 frames a second. Ha la 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 la, ha la 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 la, ole 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 ole, ole ole ole, feeling hot hot hot, get your mamba, feeling hot hot hot. It doesn't do my hands, just my eyes. Oh my god! Look at this! My eyes are blinking like a madman.